Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
The elevator is coming.
I've never made that noise before. No, I'm just
Okay, now I'm scared. Okay, I'm still trying to understand that no buttons are signed in the elevator.
I like that.
We are on deck 20, and we are headed to the first portion of the Yacht Club tour. Uh-oh.
Yeah, mind your step. So, if you've been on any of the other, products from the Yacht Club, I'm D-rolling. You'll find a much more spread out area. Double jacuzzis that are in the back of the vessel or in the back of the Yacht Club area, and you'll also notice the cabanas. Now, for the Royal Suites and the Owner Suites, they do have access to those, and then the rest of the cabanas, they are on a first-come, first-served basis. So as you're coming into the ship, you meet with the concierge. If you say, okay, on this day we'd like to reserve a cabana, they will reserve it on a first-come, first-served. That's good. Main outdoor grill area and bar by the pool deck, so from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Oh, so sorry.
That is correct.
Okay.
This is your deluxe suite.
The deluxe suite.
Yes.
Got
This isn't
it.
the grand deluxe suite, though.
That is correct. It is not.
This is beautiful.
Your normal suite.
I'm gonna go in that corner and get a picture. First of this, so I don't forget where I've been.
Yeah, really. That's it. That's a brilliant idea. Take a picture of
I
that.
will.
Get the QR code. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, I love the espresso machine. I can't wait till next week.
Oh, look at
All right, so we are in the deluxe suite, MSC Yacht Club.
Yeah, we're gonna be
So
on the
this is
20th,
what the
so
deluxe
shove it,
suite looks like.
Down at 16. Cool.
Nice.
Pretty decent sized bathroom. All right.
You're better than I am. I just
Didn't go down to GC.
Okay, where was the interior?
New Jersey.
This one? Okay.
Nice desk area,
And this is the
espresso machines, shelves,
interior Yacht Club, accessible. So
fancy schmancy. And look at this. Very nice. You definitely feel pampered in the Yacht Club.
Yeah, so it was,
And then there's
the express. So I'm just gonna let her give you guys the tour.
drawers.
So I'm just gonna let her give you guys the tour.
nicely done.
And then your
Thank you. All right, and then there's the bathroom. Again, it's an accessible room, so roll-in shower.
This is the bathroom.
Yes, the roll-in shower. You're fine. I just told my subscribers you're gonna give the tour.
Oh, and there's Med by MSC. This smells incredible. I have
So-
a spray at home.
I'm gonna show you guys the room from this direction so you can see it. That's my new friend.
Sorry.
Stop apologizing, it's all good.
I just want to get a picture from that angle.
All right, and this is the deluxe grand suite for the Yacht Club.
I'll hold the door for you.
Thank you, dear. And then it's got the big, huge walk-in closet. And here is the bathroom for the deluxe grand suite. All right, and now we are in the owner's suite. So this is the big daddy. Oh yeah.
Here is the owner's suite.
Oh yeah. Bless you, Josh.
Thank you.
This is gorgeous. Got the full living room with the view. And then the big deck with a hot tub. And the chase loungers, 2 chairs and a table. So amazing. Just gorgeous. Oh, almost died. Tripped over the ledge.
We have a wardrobe.
And then a second bedroom in here with a nice little lounging area to just hang out. Again, looking out the window and having a great view. This is just beautiful. And then you've got a little workstation, closet area in here. And then you have the bathroom with the individual shower and then the bathtub, toilet. It is absolutely beautiful in here. Oh my gosh.
Do your own private, or we have very fine watches, jewelry. So maybe your guest doesn't want to go in with everyone else. They want a little privacy when they're doing their purchases. Yeah, so
Yes.
we will make sure that you check with the concierge and they can set up that shopping experience for you.
So your butlers walk you, they escort you to all the dining experiences at the end?
Well, the dining experience is going
On
to
the
be here,
ship.
but if there's anywhere outside the ship, the
Outs-
butlers will be escorting, the guests here.
Okay, thank you so much, John.
Yes.
And all their specialty restaurants are all included in there, right?
I don't believe so. Let me check with Lucy. Yeah. Because I'm just contact, so I just don't want
We're
to give you
in
the
next week and they don't include the specialty restaurants, but they do, and this is like a specialty restaurant,
Yeah.
it's amazing.
Right.
But it doesn't include the thermal spa for the whole group. It does?
Thanks. All right, guys. So this is the, I don't remember what room, which room this is. I'll tell you on the way in.
70 years old and started band. There you go. Oh, yeah.
We're the last resort band.
The Royal Suite. That's what it was. It's the Yacht Club Royal Suite.
Why not?
And then it has the entrance where you can come from both sides. And then it also has the shower and tub combo, or shower and tub separate as well. And like I said, you can come from both directions. So, gorgeous, gorgeous room. Really love it. Oh, sorry. All right, guys, that concludes the Yacht Club tour. I gotta get my money up because some of those suites were breathtaking. The owner's suite, the royal suite, oh my God. I gotta get my money up, y'all. So, all right, I'm gonna go eat lunch, and I think I'm doing the specialty tastings for all the specialty restaurants for tastings. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, so here is a regular stateroom, balcony stateroom. So I'm just showing it to you, same as my room. It's just on the opposite or a different floor. So same type of room, balcony room. All right. Thank you. So here is a regular interior accessible. You can see it has a desk here, the TV, huge full-size mirror, space on that side of the bed, large king-size bed. And then it's got the closet space over here and the mini bar right there. So And you can see that actually pulls down, so it makes it easier on someone who is in a wheelchair. Same thing, the safe is lower and the drawers are lower, so you can pull that down. And then the door is much wider, so that you can get into the bathroom, sink, toilet, and a roll-in shower. So this is an interior accessible room. Hello, how are you? I'm great, thank you. All right, guys, we are going into a suite with the whirlpool. So this has not just the regular couch, it also has a chair, a TV over here with a full-size desk, a vanity, the refrigerator, huge mirror once again, and then a chair over here in the corner. But obviously what makes it great is it has the whirlpool on the balcony. So this is the suite with the whirlpool. Unlike the Yacht Club rooms up top where it has all the other amenities, this is just a regular suite with the whirlpool. Hello. All right, guys, now we are going into a family room. So this room has the large sofa with the big king-size bed, TV, dresser, all that fun stuff, or the desk, sorry. And then we've got a nice sized balcony out there. And then looking at the room from this direction, we're going to go back. And as you can see, it has the adjacent door. So you can actually go in from this side. So this is the family room. So here is the other bedroom over here on this side, and then the accessible shower, and then the bigger balcony over here on this side with the chase loungers and the 2 chairs. So they are connecting rooms where that you can go through the little corridor and get in from the other side.